right, welcome to 10.2 day 2. Here is your problem of the day. It looks just like last week, so I'm going to put a line down the middle. I see that there are two terms on this side. They both have variables on them, so I am going to combine them. You'll see that for your problem today, you have the same. You have two variables that you will be combining. So I'm going to bring down this negative 18 equals 5n plus 4n. It's the same thing as like 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and I have 9 n's. Then I need to get rid of that 9. So I'm going to divide by 9. Divide by 9. 18 divided by 9 gets me 2. A negative divided by a positive is still a negative, equals n. Final answer. All right, take this time to work on teams. On Nearpod, here is your problem of the day. You have 4 equals negative 2b plus 4b. Okay, so it's negative 2 plus 4. Solve that, please. Okay, I hope you had some time to solve this. You should have put a line down the middle. You are going to combine these two terms. So negative 2b plus 4b is really just negative 2 plus 4, or it's 4 minus 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's going to be 2b. Then you have to get rid of that the 2 by dividing by 2. Divide by 2, those go away. 4 divided by 2 gets you 2, and that's what b equals. Final answer. Okay, hopefully these are getting a little easier for you. So we are going to be dilating an image from a pre-image on a graph. So remember, a transformation is a change. A pre-image is the starting shape. The image is the end shape. Dilation is to resize. The scale factor is a number you multiply with to resize the pre-image, and an enlargement gets bigger, reduction gets smaller. So first things first, we're going to list the points from the pre-image, and then we're going to multiply all the numbers by the scale factor, and then we got to graph the image. So here is my problem that I'm going to do for you. So watch me. So I'm going to get the ordered pair for all of these dots. So I'm going to start with D. So D is, you start at 0, 0, and you go left and right first is X. So I'm going to go to the left. These are negative numbers. These are positive numbers. And so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. So that is negative 8, comma. Negative 8, and since I hit D already, I do not have to go up and down, so it's going to be 8, negative 8, comma 0. Okay, then I'm going to go to E. So to go to E, start at 0, 0, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, so negative 4. Come on, pen. Or not. Negative 4, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So going up is in the positive direction, so that's going to be 8. Okay, F. To go to F, I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's in the positive side, so it's going to be a positive 4, comma, up 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 4, so 4, 4. And G. G, we still go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So it's going to be 4, positive 4, and down means negative. So down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be negative 4. Okay, step 1 done. Step 2 is I now got to multiply all these by the scale factor, and the scale factor is 1/4. 1/4 right here. So 1/4, we need to multiply them by 1/4. So now when you multiply what I showed you guys last week, if you multiply by 1/4, it really just means divide by 4. If you really want to get fancy and put in the calculator, you could multiply it, that's supposed to be a dot, multiply it by 0.25. That will get you the same thing. So I'm going to divide all these by 4, because that's what multiplying by 1/4 tells me to do. Negative 8, so we got D prime. Negative 8 divided by 4 is going to get me negative 2. 0 divided by 4 is 0. E prime. We got -4 divided by 4 is going to give me -1. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. F prime. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Last but not least, G prime. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 4 divided by -4 is -1. Okay, now I got to graph these. So I'm going to start in the middle. Go to -2 on the x. This side's not negative. These are positive. These are negative. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and 0 means I stay there. So this is D prime. E prime is -1, +2. So up 1, 2. E prime. So all your new dots should be in the same direction as the first dots. So F prime should be going in this direction towards F. So 1, 1, and it's going right there. So that's F prime. And G prime is +1, -1. See how it goes towards G down there. G prime. Okay, let's see if my pen will let me connect my dots. Ta-da! And there you have it. We have a shape that is 1/4 the size of our original shape. Alrighty, so that's all we're doing today. These other ones you are doing on Nearpod. So let me help you out. We can start again, get this one done since it only took me 6.5 minutes. So let's get these. So we're going to get the point of A. So A is, you start at 0, 0. Let's change colors. 0, 0, and it goes 1, 2. So 2 is positive. 2, comma, up 1 is positive. So 2, 1. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1, 2, 3. So 5, 3. And L is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1. So we do 5, comma, 1. Now I need to multiply all these by 1/2. If you want to do this in the calculator, you multiply by 0.5. Multiply by 0.5. Or you just divide everything by 2. Remember, if that 1 is on top, you just divide by what's on the bottom. So we're going to divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 gets me 2. Gives me 1. 1 divided by 2 gets me 0.5. 5 divided by 2 gets you 2.5. And 3 divided by 2 gets you 1.5. 5 divided by 5 is 2.5, and 1 divided by 5, 2, everybody's saying 5, oh my goodness, 2.5 divided, oh my gosh, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. All right, now we gotta graph these. 1, comma, 0.5, so I go 1 in the positive direction, and up 1/2 is right in the middle there, so that is A prime. And X prime is 2.5, 1, 2.5, up 1.5. It's going to be right in the middle of this whole box here. And that is X prime. And L prime is 2.5, 1.5, 2.5. So 1 box, 2 box, and 1/2 boxes, and up a 0.5. Right in the middle here. Got a little baby triangle. L prime, and connect your dots. Okay, if you got something like that, great job. So there's a 1/2. These are, this is all that's on your homework. You'll see these 0.5. You just multiply these by 0.5 in the calculator, or you could divide by 2. This is also, you can still divide by 2. It's okay. Same thing. All right, let me know if you have any questions.